Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Amazon Shopping app on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, make sure you're connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Look for the Play Store app up on your phone. It might be on your home screen, or you can swipe up and search for it. Open the Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the top. Type in Amazon Shopping and press search. You should see the Amazon Shopping app appear with over 4 million reviews. Tap on the Install button. Wait for the app to finish installing. Once it's installed, swipe up on your home screen to find the app. Look for the Amazon Shopping icon. Tap to open it. Sign in to your Amazon account or create a new one. That's how you download and install the Amazon Shopping app on your Android phone. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.